have a political update coming in ahead of the Haryana elections. There are rumblings of cracks widening within the Congress party state unit ranks. We are told that a strategy meeting was held yesterday in New Delhi, but two key senior leaders of the Congress in Haryana, Randeep Surjewala and Kumari Selja, both skipped this meeting. This is being seen as a sign of cracks within the party now deepening. This is the latest that we have with regards to the Congress and its preparations for the Haryana Assembly elections. We have even more information now coming in with regards to this, and that is that the Congress's state in charge, that is Deepak Babaria, claims that the reason for them skipping this meeting or missing the meeting is that they had prior commitments. Let's listen in to what the Congress has said.
इलेक्शन स्ट्रेटेजी की कमेटी हुई थी और यो स्ट्रेटेजी कमेटी की मीटिंग में हमारे मोस्ट ऑफ द लीडर्स दे वर प्रेजेंट. इट वाज अ फुली अटेंडेड मीटिंग और उसमें उपस्थित महत्वपूर्ण लोगों में हुड्डा जी थे, प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी भी थे, चौधरी बीरेंद्र सिंह जी भी थे और बाकी सब पूरे प्रदेश के पूर्व स्पीकर से लेके हर कोई लोग थे.
So we have Rishabh joining us now. Now, Rishabh, the Congress is attempting to attribute the two key leaders missing the meeting to their prior commitments. However, we know that there has been some sort of a tussle ongoing for some time. Could you give us the details and what is the latest?
Well, if we talk about Haryana goes into poll in another 60 to 90 days is what we are given to understand, given that the last elections in 2019 happened in the month of September, October. Having said that, now Congress, who feel that they have a good ground situation in Haryana, is holding strategy meetings, but the infighting in Congress continues. While Kumari Selja and Surjewala, Randeep Singh Surjewala, both seen as the Delhi face of Haryana Congress, are on one side, while other, be it CLP leader Bhupendra Singh Hooda or the Congress chief there, Uday Bhan, are seen close to each other. And these are the two factions in Haryana Congress that are now being reported that there are a lot of infighting. Remember, there was a yatra that was carried out by Kumari Selja 2 weeks ago. In that yatra also, if you see the whole poster, you will find Sonia Gandhi, you will find Rahul Gandhi, you will find Priyanka Gandhi, Kumari Selja and Randeep Singh Surjewala. No Bhupendra Hooda, no Uday Bhan. And that's where the whole murmur around the infighting in Congress began. Yesterday, when there was a strategy meeting here in Delhi, both Kumari Selja and Randeep Singh Surjewala did not come for that meeting. While the Congress Haryana in charge say that they had prior commitments, but definitely ahead of election, 2 months ahead of election.
Do stay with us, because I believe we have a BJP response coming in. The BJP is mocking the Congress over this purported infighting in Haryana within its Haryana ranks between its key Haryana leaders. Let's listen in to what the BJP has to say about this.
कांग्रेस की तो फितरत है टुकड़े टुकड़े होना, सत्ता के लिए एक दूसरे से ही लड़ना, क्योंकि इनकी कोई कॉमन विचारधारा नहीं, कोई विजन मिशन नहीं, केवल और केवल एम्बिशन है. सुरजेवाला जी, कभी सेलजा जी, हुड्डा जी के खिलाफ ब्यूगल फूंक देते हैं और मीटिंग में नहीं जाते हैं. कांग्रेस में जिस प्रकार की सत्ता की लड़ाई, अब देखिए हरियाणा में तो सत्ता में आए भी नहीं है. अगर ऐसी लड़ाई पहले से हो रही है, मतलब कि पायलट गहलोत मॉडल ऑलरेडी लागू हो चुका है, तो गलती से अगर कांग्रेस सत्ता में आई तो क्या होगा, किस प्रकार का शासन प्रशासन देंगे.
So the BJP interestingly calls it a pilot Gehlot model, remarking that what happened in Rajasthan could happen in Haryana. Who's who here? Rishabh, over to you. Who's who in the pilot Gehlot model?
Well, it is very, very interesting to see who is who here. Remember, Bhupendra Singh Hooda is someone who has been in Haryana politics for Congress for quite some time, while Randeep Surjewala and Kumari Selja are someone who have had influence on Haryana politics, but still trying to have a pan-Haryana influence. And that is something that answers your question that who is who here. It is definitely Hooda versus Selja and Randeep Singh Surjewala. Remains to be seen how things unfold.
Right.
But here, definitely, there is an infighting that is out and open. Remains to be seen how things unfold till the elections.
Most definitely, Rishabh. The Congress strategizing before the elections. Is there infighting? Is there not? We'll find out, I'm sure, as the elections draw nearer. Rishabh, I thank you for sharing these updates. Viewers, we are tracking this and other stories very closely. Stay with us. We'll be back after a short break.